welcome to our virtual road test of our 2014 14 plate Golf 1.6 TDI SE Bluemotion Tech Auto. It's done just over 90,000 miles, 90,600 to be precise. So we'll just give it a flip up the road, just see how it drives. Drives very well, nice and smooth. No warning lights up on the dash. No squeaks or rattles, no bangs. It's all nice and tight. Feels good actually. Drives really well. It's in really nice sort of silver grey metallic. It benefits from upgrade stereo to sat nav, touchscreen nav. It's also got the DSG auto box. We've got full service history for it. It's predominantly VW, but there's a couple of independents as well. It has had a cam belt change that is documented on the advert, so I can't remember what the date is off the top of my head, but it wasn't that long ago. I think it was a service before last that it was done, but it was cam belt and water pump all replaced as well, so that's all up to date. Nicely serviced as well. Books all good, well stamped. We've got 2 keys for it. It's a good little car really, good value car, great economy, cheap to run. Perfect in the times we're seeing at the moment with the fuel prices. So yeah, great car, very nice. As usual, there's all information on our website, details of the car, lots of images, video walk round. But if there is any additional information that you'd like to know about the car, or our finance packages that are available, or our home delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.